Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a driveway cleaning and sealing and sanding today. We actually have two neighbors side by side, just small little driveways. So this is what we have today. Just these 3-car driveways, but they're short. And then a little walkway going up to the front. We just did the neighbor's house across the street about a month or so ago. Then we have this little one right here too. So we kind of like when they're side by side. Makes it easier, one hookup. And then we have the neighbor next door. We have him on the schedule for another week or so. All right, so that's our project here this morning. I'm gonna get moving here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got everything cleaned. Did our 3-step cleaning process. Got all the joints emptied out of the old crappy sand. So we'll let this dry up overnight. And we'll be back in the morning to sand and seal this. So we have one more driveway to go prep today. So let's get moving on it. This is a brand new paver driveway. We actually just did this one about 3 months ago, and they just didn't like the old pavers that were on there, so they ripped them out. They had the driveway widened, and they asked us to come back and prep these and seal these as well. So it's a lot of pavers on this deal. So we'll get moving here. We'll get this all cleaned and prepped today, and then we'll lay the sealer tomorrow. Hey, good morning everybody. All right, so we're back at the 2 driveways here. We got everything sanded here this morning. We're getting ready to mix up the sealer. This one's getting Hurricane Cat 5 with a D2 and a D2 solution. So let me show you what it looks like right now. We used fieldstone sand on these. So everything's blown off, ready to go. We got our mixing station over there, getting ready to mix up the batch. And then this is the other driveway. We went through and replaced like 5 pavers in here. They had some splash over from stucco when they originally built the place. So he was able to get a hold of a couple replacement pavers, so we went ahead and switched those out. As you can see, it's development is still under construction here. Okay, so let's get sealing. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. So let me walk you around and show you the final results. Yeah, major difference on the transformation. They look absolutely beautiful now. Nice little shine to them. And then the same situation over here. We are off to our 3rd job. We're gonna lay some sealer on this other one that we cleaned yesterday. So let's get moving. We'll see you over there. Okay, so we're at our back at our other job. We got everything sanded. Got everything ready to start mixing some sealer up. So I'll walk you around and show you. We put fieldstone down on this. It's all set and ready to go now. Did a final blow off. We'll mix the sealer up, and we will transform this into a beautiful driveway. All right, let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me walk you around and show you how it turned out. So that's 2 coats of Cat 5, D2 with fieldstone sand. These pavers are absolutely glistening right now. The color enhancement's beautiful. All right, if these are the kind of results you're looking for in your pavers, give us a call at 813-853-3557 or our website www.supremetampabay.com. This is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We will see you at the next job.